How to add or remove keyboard languages on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. In here, tap on Languages and Types. Then we go down and tap on Manage Input Languages. From the list here, scroll down and download the language that you would like to use. So for example, if you want to install Arabic, just tap on the download button. This will download Arabic language to your phone, and from here you can switch it on or off. Once it is turned on, you'll be able to pick one from the list. So tap and hold on this language icon. Here we can choose the Arabic language or another language. And that's it. To remove it, simply go back in here and switch it off. So we go to Manage Input Languages and turn off the selected language, and it will be removed from your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.